Hello everyone, my name is Akasa and welcome to my YouTube channel. Some of you already knows me from 2020 where I used to make a video on immigration. I was learning and following all the latest news related to the immigration because at that time I would like to secure a permanent residency in Canada. I thought it might be helpful to share my journey, whatever I'm doing and all of my learnings with all you guys through these YouTube videos, which might help someone who is in the same boat as me and who is also a new immigrant in this country. Eventually, I receive a permanent residency and become a citizen of this country. Since then, I stopped following all of the immigration policies and news, and because of that I stopped making videos on the YouTube as well. During the same time, I stepped into the world of investing. This is completely new territory for me and I was super excited. At back home, I used to do an investing into the stocks and mutual fund, but I do not have any experience or exposure to the North American market. I only knew that NYSE, New York Stock Exchange, is world's biggest stock exchange. I was super excited and really would like to have an exposure into the world of investing. I started investing in early 2020. Yes, we all know what happened after that, and trust me, I have a story to tell, but that's something into the another video. Since then, I'm continuously investing into the stocks and various ETFs. Slowly, I started learning all the technicals behind it and how you can evaluate the companies and make a long-term investing. I was making money and at the same time learning about some of the great companies into the world who is making a big impact. And most importantly, I'm liking it, what I'm doing and what I'm learning. So for a while, I have been thinking to start making a video to share my learning and what I have experienced. I do not mind to share my mistakes that I did during this journey. Intention is same as before. Hope my experience helps someone else out there who is just about to start their investing journey, or I can learn something from their experience. My end goal is simple. I would like to build a community where we all help each other to get a financial stability and a better life for us and for our family. So if this something seems interesting to you, please consider subscribing my channel. Please hit the bell icon so you will get a notification once I post a new video. Trust me, I have a lot of things lined up and I'm super excited to share all of those with you. Thank you so much for your time. I will see you into the next video. Until the next time, goodbye.